Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
The yellow exclamation mark means the device has limited or no internet access. First, check whether other devices on the same network show the exclamation mark. If other devices are fine, the issue is on your device. If all devices show the mark, reboot the router and modem. Wait 1 minute after reboot and check the icon again. If the icon persists, proceed to the only way method described in the next slide. The only reliable method is to set static DNS and renew your IP lease. Open Network Settings and choose your Wi-Fi adapter properties to set DNS. Enter 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 as primary and secondary DNS addresses. Save settings and open a command prompt or terminal with administrator privileges. Run the commands to release and renew the IP address using DHCP. Restart the network adapter, and then reboot the device to finalize changes. Now follow exact commands for your operating system to apply the fix. On Windows, open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. Also run netwinsock reset if issues persist, and then restart. On Mac OS, open terminal and run sudo killall HUPM DNS responder to flush DNS caches. On Linux, use sudo dh client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.